Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that we think you'll love. We found the Cuisinart CGG-059A portable gas grill with locking lid and added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this grill is all about. The Cuisinart CGG-059A is a compact and portable gas grill that is perfect for anyone who loves outdoor cooking but doesn't want to deal with the hassle of larger, more cumbersome grills. Weighing in at just 10 pounds and featuring a compact design of 19 inches by 11.5 inches by 10 inches, this grill is specifically engineered for those on the go. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors, tailgating at your favorite sporting event, or just enjoying a day on your patio or balcony, this grill is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. One of the standout features of the CGG-059A is its spacious cooking surface. With 146 square inches of enameled steel grate, you'll have plenty of room for grilling up your favorite meals. Plus, this grate is dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. After a long day of grilling, the last thing you want to do is scrub down a messy grill. With the Cuisinart, you can simply pop the grate in the dishwasher and be done with it. Now, let's talk about performance. This little powerhouse is equipped with an 8000 BTU burner that heats up quickly and evenly. In fact, it can reach temperatures over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which is impressive for a portable grill of this size. This means you can achieve those beautiful grill marks and juicy, evenly cooked steaks without any fuss. The grill also features a push-button ignition, making it incredibly easy to start, even for those who might be new to grilling. The portable design of the CGG-059A is another highlight. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to transport. The locking lid securely latches, ensuring that everything stays in place while you're on the move. This feature is particularly useful for those who like to travel or enjoy picnics in the park. You won't have to worry about spills or messes when you transport your grill from one location to another. Who is this grill suitable for? It's perfect for a wide range of users. If you're a camping enthusiast, this grill will become your new best friend. It's also ideal for tailgating fans who want to serve up delicious food while cheering on their team. Apartment dwellers with limited outdoor space will appreciate how easy it is to set up on a small balcony or patio. Even those who simply want a reliable grill for a backyard barbecue will find that the Cuisinart CGG-059A meets their needs without taking up too much space. Practical use cases for this grill are endless. Imagine a sunny day at the beach where you can easily whip up burgers and hot dogs for your friends and family. Or how about a cozy camping trip, where you can enjoy grilled vegetables and steaks under the stars? The grill's rapid setup means you can be ready to cook in under 5 minutes, with no assembly required and no tools or matches needed. It's truly a convenient option for anyone who loves to grill. In conclusion, the Cuisinart CGG-059A portable gas grill with locking lid offers a fantastic combination of performance, portability, and ease of use. Whether you're an avid camper, a tailgating fan, or someone who just enjoys a good barbecue at home, this grill has something to offer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.